This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious whipped cream cake, step by step. First, ensure your cake layers are completely cool. This prevents the whipped cream from melting. You can bake your own or use store-bought layers. If your cakes have a dome, carefully level them with a serrated knife for a flat surface. Place your first cake layer on a serving plate or cake board, ready for the next step. Next, let's create that light and airy whipped cream. For best results, chill your mixing bowl and whisk attachment in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Pour in 1 pint of very cold heavy cream, ensuring it has at least 35% milk fat. Add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whip on medium-high speed until stiff peaks form, being careful not to overwhip. Now for the exciting part, assembling your cake. Take your first cake layer and spread a generous, even layer of your freshly whipped cream over the top. If you like, you can add a layer of fresh fruit, such as sliced strawberries or raspberries, for extra flavor and texture. Gently place the second cake layer on top, pressing down lightly. Repeat this process with remaining layers and cream. Finally, let's finish your masterpiece. Use the remaining whipped cream to cover the sides and top of the entire cake, smoothing it out with an offset spatula. You can add decorative touches like fresh berries, chocolate shavings, or a simple piping design. Once decorated, refrigerate your whipped cream cake for a minimum of 2 hours. This allows the cream to set, ensuring a stable and delicious slice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.